Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Odyssey battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and wearing protective gear such as safety glasses and gloves. You'll find the battery conveniently located under the hood, typically on the driver's side. Now, let's disconnect the old battery safely. Begin by using your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is a crucial safety step. Next, carefully disconnect the positive terminal, making sure it doesn't touch any metal parts of the car. Finally, loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp that secures the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to prevent corrosion. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive terminal first, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Finally, connect the negative terminal, making sure it's also tight. You're almost done. To ensure your new battery lasts, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. This helps prevent rust and maintains a good connection. Now, start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. If the car starts, you've successfully changed your battery. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.